Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. Even in the smallest outdoor spaces, you can design a magical shabby chic garden filled with elegance, romance, and unique stone art details. With the right touches, your garden becomes more than a green corner. It turns into a soulful sanctuary full of character. Get ready to be inspired as we uncover the most enchanting stone art ideas that will transform your small garden into a dreamy escape. Crafting stone pathways with personality. Use irregular stone slabs combined with soft ground covers like moss or creeping thyme. This adds texture and guides the eye through your garden while keeping the shabby chic style alive. Mix vintage bricks with natural stones to create a pathway that feels both rustic and elegant. The subtle imperfections of aged materials bring warmth and authenticity to your outdoor retreat. Enhance the pathways with small lanterns or fairy lights along the edges. The soft glow creates a magical atmosphere at night, turning even a narrow path into a captivating feature. Building stone borders for charm and structure. Frame your flower beds with rough-cut stones or recycled bricks. This keeps the plants organized while adding a classic, timeless touch that makes your garden feel well-kept yet cozy. Combine different stone shapes and colors for a layered border effect. This mix-and-match style captures the essence of shabby chic, perfectly imperfect and effortlessly beautiful. Add trailing plants like ivy or creeping rosemary along the stone borders. The greenery softens the hard edges while blending nature and stone into one harmonious design. Creating stone art centerpieces. Use a stack of flat stones to build a small garden cairn or sculpture. This creates an eye-catching focal point while reflecting the handmade, artistic feel of shabby chic design. Transform old stone pots or basins into rustic planters filled with wildflowers. Their aged texture tells a story and enhances the romantic atmosphere of your garden. Incorporate a vintage birdbath or stone statue as a centerpiece. These pieces not only elevate the style but also invite birds, adding life and charm to the space. Designing cozy stone seating areas. Build a small stone bench tucked between flower beds. It creates a quiet, intimate spot where you can pause and connect with the beauty of your surroundings. Pair stone seating with cushions in soft pastel tones. The mix of rough stone and delicate fabrics creates contrast, making the area both inviting and visually striking. Surround the seating space with potted plants and small lanterns. This cozy corner becomes the heart of your shabby chic garden, perfect for reflection or evening tea. Enhancing ambience with decorative stone details. Scatter polished river stones in corners or under benches. Their smooth shapes catch the light and add small touches of elegance without overwhelming the space. Use white gravel or crushed stone as ground cover in specific areas. It brightens the garden and creates a fresh, clean base for shabby chic accents like wrought iron chairs or vintage decor. Arrange stepping stones in whimsical patterns across the garden. This playful detail sparks curiosity and gives visitors the feeling of wandering through a secret garden. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of shabby chic stone art for small gardens. With just a few creative touches, your little outdoor corner can be transformed into a space full of charm, warmth, and personality. Remember, beauty doesn't depend on size, it depends on how much love and creativity you put into it. But wait, your transformation doesn't stop here. Discover Stop Wasting Space, genius DIY stone art ideas for small gardens, and unlock even more creative ways to maximize every corner of your garden. Click now and let's continue this inspiring journey together.